Have you ever tried to draw flawless eyeliner by following on the steps in a tutorial video, but still ended up looking nothing like the models in those videos? Then you thought maybe you need to make it a little bit bigger and thicker. Then you kept on drawing and drawing. Now stop, you were telling yourself that looks really good, and what happened? Hi everyone, my name is Kelly. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I draw liner on my Asian hooded eyes. I have downturned hooded eyes. It took me a few years to figure out how to draw the perfect liner that's suitable for my eye shape. The bold and thick eyeliner that you try to put on your hooded eyes will never look good because we have the hood is covered the lid, so we don't have a lot of lid space. And when you try to make a bold and thick liner, it just turns out look like we don't have any lid space at all. Can you see the difference? And after putting on mascara, you can still see my short lashes, right? And how to achieve that? Remember to wrap your eyes. This is important if you want your makeup to last longer. You can use the eye primer or concealer to prime the lid. I use the Milani eyeshadow primer and apply it with my finger. You can use a brush, but it works better with the fingertip in my opinion. This primer is really lightweight, that goes on nude and dries down invisibly. This one works well for every skin tone with a really affordable price. If you have discoloration on your lid, you may use concealer and then set it with translucent powder or eyeshadow with a similar color to your skin tone. I use the translucent loose setting powder from Mercier. You need to set it unless you want your lid to crease later. Now to the liner. You can use anything you have: pencil liner, liquid liner, or gel liner. I use the Maybelline Eyestudio Lasting Drama Gel Liner. This is the best drugstore gel liner I have ever used. Getting some gel liner out using the spatula. I don't dip my brush straight into the pot. It's just hard to stay sanitized that way. I prefer gel liner with a super thin brush to draw the wing and a waterproof pencil liner to tie line. This brush is actually the brow brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It has a really thin tip, so I can achieve a super precise liner with this brush. You just need enough product on the brush, don't take too much or it's gonna be everywhere. Now look straight in the mirror. As you can see, I started at the outer corner of my eye to draw the wing first. I put the brush like this to create a straight line along my lower lash line, then slightly tilt it down just a bit because I prefer my wing more outwards in this direction, and create a flick. Remember to check yourself from far away to see if the flick is okay or not. If you don't like it, just remove it and redo. Everyone has really different preferences, so just try and experience to find out what looks good on you. Next, I connected the flick to the lash line and create a triangle like so. You can tilt your head up and look down to the mirror for a better view. The bigger the triangle, the thicker the wing. I just like a thin one, so I kept my triangle thin. Then I gently use my nail to make it even sharper and blended it into the skin. Just take your time, go slow. You cannot go fast on eyeliner. If you only have 5 or 10 minutes in the morning to do your makeup, I'm sure it's not a good idea to do eyeliner. You can be late for school or work. I've done that so many times, so trust me. Because I have downturned eyes, I want to lift my eyes up. That's why I did my liner a little bit higher instead of drawing the wing at the very end of my outer corner to create a lifting effect. Then drag the wing forwards until you meet the pupil and stop there. Do not go all the way up to your inner corner because the thicker your liner is, the less you can see your lid space. Now what you need to do next is tie lining. Tie lining is a simple technique of lining your upper waterline, yet it helps your lashes look fuller and thicker without taking any space of your lid. You can use the handle of the brush to help lift your lid up so you can see your waterline clearer and apply the liner easier. You can use the same gel liner to tie line, but I recommend a waterproof eyeliner if you have watery eyes. Instead of drawing a line above your lashes, go under it. It helps to define your eye without taking any space of your lid. Remember to blend in your lash line too. I'm using the Maybelline Tattoo Liner Gel Pencil. And then you have a really thin and nice liner. Now moving to the other eye. Repeat the whole thing. And make sure to check from far away to see if the liner is even on both sides. Create a flick, connect to the lash line, make the triangle, then drag it to the pupil. And just a reminder, if you don't want to have eye problems, remember to wash your brush frequently and disinfect your liner pencil after every use with a 70% alcohol. Then sharpen it before using the next time because it gets really close to your eyes even when you don't share makeup with anyone else. And of course, you shouldn't share your makeup at all. And if you want to disinfect it before using, just make sure to wait for the alcohol to evaporate completely, then sharpen it and apply. Never put any alcohol in your eyes, it's just dangerous. Here is the before and after tie lining. Can you see it helps my eye look more defined without taking any space of my lid? If you mess up your liner, just fix it with some makeup remover or concealer. Next, I curl my lashes and put on mascara. This one is also from Maybelline. It's the Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara. This has a slightly curved one that can give you the full fan effect as the brand claims. I like this mascara because it separates my lashes and holds the curve really well. Doesn't smudge on me, giving my lashes a really natural look. If you are a beginner, practice makes perfect. Don't give up, and remember to do it before eyeshadow, so you don't mess up the eye makeup if you make a mistake. So now you can see the difference after I apply mascara. You can see more of the lid space and also the lashes. Lastly, each of us has a different face shape and we all have distinctive facial features. Therefore, you should try and experience to find out what's the best for you. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like and subscribe and see you in my next one. Bye.